Good morning again. Back to Concord, Massachusetts, where I come to find my lovely husband doing some work, and so I'm going to go and surprise him. I do have coffee in the car. I just ended up stopping at Dunkin's and getting coffee. So welcome back to Concord, Mass. Hello, Jim Regan.
Hello.
Ah.
How's that going? Freezing.
What's crack-a-lackin'? Oh, you got to turn off the radio before, YouTube finds this. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me. So I was here yesterday. So what's new, Jim? I see this is still the same. The electricians were here yesterday for sure.
Well,
And
I've done a
painter. This is looking good.
done a lot of stuff that you don't really see. I put this cabinet back, the toe kick heaters in.
Oh, beautiful. That looks good. So this is all in preparation. We finally are getting the countertops installed tomorrow, right? So
Yep.
that's all. Oh, I see. So you did a lot of cleaning yesterday, huh?
A lot of cleaning. Yep.
I see that because when I came in, there were a lot of boxes in the way. So this is looking good. And
Yep.
wow. A lot of natural light coming in here. I mean, there's a lot.
Yeah, there is actually. Yep.
I think Abe is coming by today or tomorrow to take inventory of what he needs. So that's going to be good.
Yep.
And don't forget to set this little. Oh, you did. You have it ahead of me, huh? You
What,
have
the sink?
The sink set up so that they can install the countertop tomorrow. Isn't this pretty? I love this little sink.
Did they already measure for this?
Yes. Yeah.
So they're putting this in tomorrow.
They should be able to. Yep. So and you did so Jim has it all set. Look at those with the temporary screws. This is beautiful because look at that, nice and tight. But if they cut the countertop with this little angle right here, that door, which is
Yep, that'll work.
making all that noise, but it should be able to work. Look at this. Look at that. Beautifully. So let's just a hair, a hair and change. But that's awesome. Is what we got to do with these old spaces. Just make them work. All right. So this is awesome. You're wrapping up the Toka Keter install. And like I said, I have what you run on Dunkin's in the car, so if you want to go grab it. I just made a quick stop. I brought you a donut and coffee.
Oh, nice.
Don't say I didn't bring you anything. All right, so I got to get back to the office and start working. I've been slacking all morning, just going from site to site. Not really working a lot. So, all right, but it looks so nice when it's clean like that. That's great.
Yeah.
Love it. And this is, oh, I see. Okay. Beautiful. I love it when it all comes together. Awesome. All right, Jim. I shall see you later. You want to go out to the car and grab the coffee?
Yep.
All right, that'll be great.
All right, I'll be right out.
And Shiloh putting together another beautiful kitchen for us. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful evergreen fog to this antique house. I think it looks so pretty with the beams and the wood. And wait till tomorrow when the counters go in. That's going to look really sharp for this. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we will see you again next time. Bye for now.
Bye.
All right, let's get that coffee. And close the door, right?
Yep.
I mean, the thing with this job is there's no place to cut anything. I had to put your coffee over here. And it is a medium, but they didn't have medium cups, so you get the large cup, and an old-fashioned donut. Bye, Jim.
Nice. I'm running on Duncan.
Hello, it's me again. Back in Concord because the countertops are being installed, and they just are being installed. I think they're on already. Hello, how are you? I think they're already installed, so I'm late to the show. Well, the guys are here, and I miss out on all the fun. Look at this. This place is rocking. Look at this. Happy? All right, so the guys already came. Look at this. This looks beautiful. Already all put together, just working on the seam. And normally I like to come in and get all the stuff on camera, but the guys beat me today. Look at that, looking good. And now we're working. They're working on Jim's template, which was right here. That's awesome. Very good, Jim. Oh. All right, so I'm gonna try to be out of the way here and let the guys do their stuff. The poor people. Wow, what a difference. Exciting times in Concord. We have the beautiful courtside installed, and I promise I'll get the name before this is all over, and we'll have that. But this is beautiful. Looks good. Sorry, Jim. And I just can't get over how nice it looks over here in this area. And the sink looks great. That pretty Frankie sink. Really cool. All right. 3 holes. I think it's 3. I think. Yeah. This is looking.
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Wow, I'm going to have to talk about that.
No, they said you were, I'm here already. I'm going, oh no, I wanted to go over this and that. Yeah. Oh, no, that's great. Wow.
The door works.
Yeah. Yep.
Beautiful. This is so pretty. I love how this came out. This is really nice. the screen. It's called leg number 1, Jim. It's very traditional with the ball on the bottom. It's really pretty. Look at that. Don't even need to secure it. Awesome. Alright, I'm just going to take a quick video of this area here. Look how beautiful that looks. Wow. Love, love, love. So it will be all finished up later on when the room is painted and all those. I love this adorable little sink for this house. It's just so fitting. I love it. Looks almost ready to go. How nice.
Yeah, they just put this in yesterday.
I know, I came by in the morning, I stopped by in the morning because I was on the way in.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Isn't it
And
beautiful?
I came this morning and I was like, oh, it fits in.
Oh, okay.
Wow. The sealer dried too. This was pretty. It's Mont Blanc, it's called. It's really pretty. Quartzite. But one of my favorite things is this. I love the sink here.
Oh, that little soapstone sink?
Did you see? It looks like soapstone, but it isn't.
It's just a composite.
Yeah.
Yeah, that doesn't.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, this is all custom. Like it's so small. Like it was hard to find something, and then we saw the idea.
They make a couple of those little bar type things.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. I put those in before, but they're not. They're just your regular sink type thing.
Yeah, no, the homeowner, they had them custom made at the stone company. They did a great job. $100. I want $100.
Over here.
Oh.
Well, I'm sure she knocks it down. Usually, that more blue than green.
It's like a hint of green without being.
You don't think this is too busy?
Oh, it would get a little baby.
Any tile with a pattern like that.
Come on, Abe, we can make this work. I'll put it like a little thing under it, a little trim. I
Oh, she
hate
got
it.
rid of it?
And here I'm finding Abe customizing this door here for our client, which would have been a long wait and fairly expensive. So he's making this door for the laundry room, and this is a great option. And once you paint them, they're gonna look really good.
Yeah, they match the other doors.
Yeah, perfect. Nice job, Abe.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That was the real thing about ordering them, is they're not going to be, you're never going to get them with this big bottoms.
Oh,
You know
yeah.
what I mean? The biggest one they have is like this big for an interior door.
Right.
And this one would be only like 6 inches wide.
That's true. That's
so,
true.
You know,
So
it's like
these-
you know, order a door, it costs you $1,000, and then it doesn't even doesn't even match.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Well,
Where?
these old doors, I told you we have them at home. Mortise and tenon. They don't come apart.
No, no.
It's like unbelievable.
Because they use the old horse glue.
Yeah.
The horse
I don't know if
glue.
it-
That stuff's great.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's the best glue they've ever made. But you know, people are that killing horses to make glue, so they still use it. That's the marine glue is still made.
I'm gonna send you to the horse glue factory.
That's fine with me. I don't really like horses. I like racing horses. I like watching horses, but not riding them or anything.
Yeah.
By the way, you're on video. What do we have here? I come inside, Jim has his Dunkins that I bought, and then he's running on Dunkins, that's for sure. And then I find some stuff. Oh yeah, that's the wrapping for the cabinets. And oh, Jim put that cabinet up. That looks good. That looks really nice. This whole house, gotta make things work. Oh, and Abe put up the trim for the kitchen window trim. Put it back. That's awesome. This is yeah, that's the box where the parts came in. And the painters right here, they're taking care of the bathroom and the laundry, just that for now, so that I can have the plumber hook up the plumbing or the washer and dryer for the client. So all right, Concord is looking amazing, and I'm glad I came by so that I could see. And now off to the office I go. All right, I will be back again next time. Bye. And now off to the office I go in this beautiful cold winter afternoon in Concord, Massachusetts. I'm Mary Regan from Wayside Kitchens, signing off for now. Bye.
This is as good a day as any.